railway issue, like many other issues, has been there for a long time. There are many social concerns that citizens of the state have. And obviously, in a big project like this, one has to carry and take the stakeholders along. One cannot bulldoze big decisions like these, which are sensitive in nature. Therefore, it's always a process of consultation and discussion that can resolve these issues. So yes, there has been a concern from the KHDC, but the government of Meghalaya will continue to discuss with them and consult with all stakeholders to try and take this project forward. As a government, we strongly feel that goods train up to Banihat is something that will be beneficial for the state. We strongly have seen that in the past there have been many situations where, because of the truck movements not being allowed, because of coronavirus last time, we had great difficulty in getting even food essentials to our state. And the danger of the trucks coming in, the drivers coming in, bringing the virus was a major concern during the COVID-19. And if we had the goods railway station within our state, like we had in Mendi, in Garo Hills, it was of great benefit because we were able to keep our people safe and yet provide the goods to our people. So we strongly feel that while we still continue the consultation for passenger train, having a goods train coming into the state would be beneficial. And I strongly feel that if we are able to move in that line, we will be able to work with our stakeholders, different stakeholders, and find a way forward. And I strongly, as I said, feel once again that this is something that we require in the overall larger interest of the people of the state.